In 2024, the gaming landscape continues to evolve with an emphasis on compact yet powerful solutions, making the best gaming mini PCs of this year more sought after than ever. These miniature marvels boast cutting-edge technology, delivering immersive gaming experiences without compromising on performance or portability. With advancements in processor architecture, graphics rendering, and cooling systems, these mini PCs redefine what's possible in the realm of gaming hardware. In the competitive market of 2024, the best gaming mini PCs feature a blend of sleek design and raw computing power, offering gamers the flexibility to enjoy their favorite titles with minimal space requirements. These compact systems are not only ideal for gaming enthusiasts with limited space, but also cater to the growing demand for versatile, multifunctional setups. Whether it's high-speed multiplayer battles or graphically demanding single-player adventures, the best gaming mini PCs of 2024 stand ready to deliver unparalleled gaming performance in a small yet mighty package. Acemagic AMR5 Mini PC. The Acemagic AMR5 Mini PC emerges as a versatile computing powerhouse, priced at $479, and redefines the gaming and multitasking experience with its innovative multi-mode functionality. This compact dynamo offers 3 distinct modes catering to different needs. Silent mode ensures a serene environment with a minimal power draw of 10 to 15 watt. Auto mode optimizes power consumption for medium work or entertainment at 15 to 20 watt, while performance mode unleashes the full potential for intense gaming graphics at 20 to 25 watt. At the heart of the AMR5 is the AMD Zen 3 Ryzen 7 5800U processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads with a max boost clock of up to 4.4 GHz, coupled with Radeon RX vague weight graphics operating at 2000 MHz. This configuration delivers a remarkable 37% performance boost in multitasking compared to its predecessors, making it an ideal choice for gaming enthusiasts. Games like Apex, CS:GO, PUBG, Dota 2, GTA 5, and more run effortlessly, thanks to the enhanced speed and efficiency of the Ryzen 5800U. The AMR5 Mini PC also introduces RGB lighting effects to cater to personalized aesthetics, complemented by an efficient cooling system that includes a high-tech copper alloy module and a high-speed cooling fan. This amalgamation ensures optimal performance during extended gaming sessions. With 16 GB of DDR4 2666 RAM, dual-channel DDR4 for faster processing, and support for up to 64 GB of RAM and 4 TB of NVMe NGFF SSD, the AMR5 is engineered for speed, storage, and efficiency. Connectivity is seamless, featuring a 1 Gb RJ45 port, Wi-Fi 6 for enhanced bandwidth and reliability, and Bluetooth 4.2 technology. The Acemagic AMR5 Mini PC stands as a testament to the mantra of better, faster, stronger, promising a gaming and computing experience that goes beyond expectations. Beelink SER5. The Beelink SER5 stands out as a formidable gaming mini PC priced at $499, delivering a tower-like performance thanks to its AMD Ryzen 5800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, clocking at 3.3 GHz, with a boost capability of up to 4.2 GHz. This mini PC transforms any desk into a powerful workstation, excelling in tasks ranging from video editing, photo editing, office applications, 4K video playback to virtualization work, and high-end gaming experiences like Grand Theft Auto V, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Battlefield V, and Call of Duty. Compact and feature-rich, the Beelink SER5 Mini PC offers seamless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x, and Bluetooth 5.2, along with a Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 1000M port. The mini computer boasts an array of interfaces, including 1x Type-C, 1x HDMI, DP, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, 1 USB 2.0, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The inclusion of 2 copper tubes and fans ensures efficient heat dissipation, making it possible to fix the mini PC on the back of a monitor, optimizing workstation space. Impressively, The Beelink SER5 supports triple 4K at 60 Hz display output via DP, HDMI, and Type-C, providing a multitasking environment suitable for browsing, office applications, graphic design, and immersive gaming. With dual-channel DDR4 2x16GB RAM, expandable up to 64GB, and a 1TB M2 PCIe NVMe SSD. The SER5 offers ample storage and the flexibility to expand via 2.5-inch SATA HDD. This mini PC is a compact powerhouse that brings desktop capabilities to new dimensions, catering to the diverse needs of users seeking both performance and versatility. Apple Mac Mini M2. The Apple Mac Mini M2 is a gaming mini PC priced at $499, designed to redefine productivity and entertainment with its supercharged performance and versatility. Powered by the next-generation M2 chip, the Mac Mini M2 unleashes a new era of computing prowess, boasting 8 CPU cores, 10 GPU cores, and up to 24GB of unified memory, ensuring exceptional speed and responsiveness for both work and play. Connectivity is seamless with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Gigabit Ethernet, and a headphone jack. Additionally, users have the option to configure the Mac Mini M2 with 10 Gigabit Ethernet for blazingly fast networking speeds, enhancing productivity and workflow efficiency. Experience lightning-fast performance with your favorite apps, thanks to the M2 chip's optimization for over 15,000 apps and plugins. The Mac Mini M2's unified memory ensures fluid multitasking and smooth handling of large files, while the fast SSD storage, available in capacities up to 2TB, provides ample space for all your digital content. Security is paramount with the Mac Mini M2, featuring industry-leading privacy and security features powered by macOS Ventura and the next-generation Secure Enclave, safeguarding your system and data against malware and viruses. Versatile and easy to use, the Mac Mini M2 is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from creating presentations to photo editing to immersive gaming. With its seamless setup and compatibility with Apple accessories like the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, the Mac Mini M2 offers a user-friendly experience right out of the box. Elevate your computing experience with the Apple Mac Mini M2 and discover a world of endless possibilities. Blackview MP200. The Blackview MP200 gaming mini PC, priced competitively at $430, is designed to deliver exceptional performance and versatility in a compact form factor. Powered by the Intel Core i5-11400H processor with 6 cores, 12 threads, and a maximum boost clock of 4.5 GHz, the MP200 effortlessly handles light gaming, video editing, media consumption, and multitasking. Running on Windows 11 Pro out of the box ensures a seamless user experience. Despite its compact dimensions of 7.2 by 5.9 by 2.97 inches and a weight of just 680 grams, the MP200 packs a punch with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB M2 PCIe 4.0 SSD, expandable with a 2.5-inch SATA HDD or SSD up to 2TB. Dual-channel SODIMM slots support up to an impressive 128GB of RAM, enhancing performance and flexibility. With support for up to 8K display output and a provided kit for easy access, customization is a breeze. The MP200 boasts a 4K at 60 Hz HD triple-screen display, offering 3 video output ports, USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, for expanded viewing and enhanced productivity. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and Gigabit Ethernet, it ensures fast and reliable wireless and wired connections. A plethora of I/O ports, including USB Type-C, USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI, DisplayPort, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, cater to diverse connectivity needs. Backed by a 3-year warranty, technical support, and certifications, including a cooling module with a large fan and copper heatsink, the Blackview MP200 ensures efficient heat dissipation and reliability, making it a compelling choice for gaming enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike. Acemagic Tank 03. The Acemagic Tank 03 emerges as a formidable gaming mini PC priced at $1,399, delivering a unique gaming experience with a focus on powerful hardware and customizable features. Equipped with the GeForce RTX 3060M 12GB GDDR6 and Intel Iris Xe graphics, the Tank 03 introduces realistic RTX ray tracing effects and advanced AI performance, enhancing gaming experiences in titles like CS2, Dota 2, PUBG, and Borderlands 3. Beyond gaming, this mini PC caters to creative needs, excelling in tasks such as rendering 3D scenes, editing 8K videos, and live streaming with exceptional image quality. At its core, the Tank 03 is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor, featuring 14 cores, 20 threads, and a turbo boost frequency up to 4.7 GHz. This powerhouse offers a 20% performance improvement over its predecessors, making it an ideal choice for professional gamers and 3D renderers. The RGB lighting with 5 different modes and 3 scene-specific operating modes, silent, auto, and performance, adds a personalized touch to the gaming experience. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCIe storage, and expandable options for both, the Tank 03 ensures swift multitasking and ample storage. Its 4-screen display support, dual HDMI 2.0, Type-C and DP1, 4 interfaces, along with USB 4 Type-C and DP1, 4 support for ultra-sharp 8K at 60Hz visuals. Create a dynamic and immersive setup. Connectivity is further enhanced with dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a variety of USB ports for high-speed data transmission. Backed by a lifetime technical support promise, a 2-year free warranty, and certifications including FCC, C, and Rush, the Acemagic Tank 03 is a compelling choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-performance gaming mini PC. MinisForum HX100G. The MinisForum HX100G, a gaming mini PC priced at $1,240, is designed to deliver exceptional performance and versatility in a compact form factor. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, boasting a base clock of 3.8 GHz and up to 5.1 GHz. The HX100G ensures faster response speed and multi-threaded sensitive response while maintaining low power consumption, setting a new standard in mini PC gaming. The HX100G features the first-ever integration of the AMD Radeon RX 6650M graphics card with 1,792 cores and 8GB of fast GDDR6 graphics memory. Equivalent to the GeForce RTX 3060, it fully unlocks gaming potential at 1080p resolution, delivering stunning visuals and immersive gaming experiences. Equipped with dual-channel DDR5 4800 MHz, 64GB RAM, and an M2 2281TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, the HX100G offers lightning-fast performance and ample storage. Additionally, it provides an extra storage slot for older generation NGFF SATA SSDs or NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSDs, ensuring convenience and space-saving solutions. Advanced dual USB 4 ports enable exceptional display experiences, supporting 8K at 60Hz resolution and a maximum transfer speed of 40 gigabits per second. The HX100G also boasts dual fan cooling with 7 heat pipes and liquid metal, ensuring efficient heat dissipation while maintaining lower noise levels. With the ability to connect 4 monitors simultaneously at 4K at 60Hz via HDMI and 8K at 60Hz via USB 4, the HX100G offers unparalleled connectivity options, featuring carbon fiber material for durability and lightweight construction, along with a comprehensive array of ports including USB Type-A and Type-C, headphone and microphone jacks, RJ45.2, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. The MinisForum HX100G redefines gaming mini PC standards, delivering unmatched performance and connectivity in a compact package.